Hello, this is John Hart, and we'll be going over ANOVA in Excel. First, let's see if you have that capability. We'll go up here and click on Data, and then look over here to see if you have Data Analysis. If not, let's add it in. We'll go to File on the upper left and click on Options, and then over here on the left, Add-ins. And then we'll go down here to Manage, and we'll click on Excel Add-ins and click Go. And then not only click on this, but make sure the box is checked and click OK. Mine's already there, so I'm going to click Cancel. And then we'll go to Data Analysis. And we'll be doing a one-way ANOVA. Single factor is another way to say that. We'll highlight it and click OK. The input range here for 3 samples of systolic blood pressure, 3 different groups. We can highlight the label at the top and highlight all 3 columns with your left clicker. And we'll include the labels. And we'll have a new worksheet, so it's going to make a 4th worksheet when we click OK. And there's our ANOVA result. Sample A, B, and C, 15 observations, and here's average. So it looks like sample B has the most unusual average, and our p-value is down here in the ANOVA table, 3 point with the exponent of 10, so there's 10 decimal places, or 9 with 3, so very small p-value. We can see if we can get just 4 decimal places to read that a little easier, and we've got I guess it's only going to give us 2, but it's a statistically significant p-value, and our guess is sample B, but let's check it out. With post hoc testing, we'll do in Excel, we'll do a t-test, 2-sample t-test with unequal variances. So first we'll compare A to B. We'll go to FX and we'll hunt down t-test. And we'll click OK. Array 1, sample 1, A to B. Array 2 is B. And 2 tails. And type is 3. We're assuming unequal variances, so we'll type in 3. So that's a small p-value. We have the exponent again, 7 decimal places. Let's make this 4. Easier to read. And A to C, so A to C, let's type in our averages here. We'll calculate those so we can get a preview of what to expect. And we can drag this across when we get that little plus sign. Here again, that's the most unusual average. Let's see if I'm just curious here. I may not have clicked 4 here. There's our 4 decimal places. A to C, back to t-test here on the other sheet. That's 2007. So this version is newer, so we'll go with this one. So A to C, A, and click here in array 2, C, left click, highlight, and same method, 2 and 3. That's a large p-value. So we can compare to A to B, A to C, what's left? B to C. So we'll park our answer there. B and C. And we can see that's going to be statistically significant as well. So it looks like our guess was correct, that B is going to be the different one compared to A and C. And that's what we will discuss in our report. And this concludes this session. Thank you for tuning in.